Hello, my name is Terry. This video will cover our first investigation of the Tri-County Truck Stop restaurant. This occurred back in the year 2006. I will try and present the evidence in the time frames in which they occurred. I'd also like to note personal experiences that weren't captured on video. One occurred to Greg Myers in the bar area, where he witnessed a coffee pot levitate off of its heating element, hover, and then crash to the ground. The photographic evidence captured on this night was very thin. The only thing that we secured was a photograph of something displacing the debris on the ground in the cellar. I had set up my Minolta Damage HI7 still photo DSLR to take photos at 60-second intervals. Something had moved across the ground and left a debris wake. I normally don't hit the record button on my camcorder before I'm fully set up, but for this event, for some reason I sensed that I should go ahead and set the record button to the on position while we were setting up.
Let me shut the door right this time. In here. How's that, Terry?
That works fine. I can see the door and you standing clearly.
Wait a minute, we're setting up the camera. So that's a good shot?
Yeah.
How's the focus? Locked to where you need it?
Have you locked Tom in?
No, I'm keeping it shut so we get the night shot.
Yeah, the focus is working fine.
Okay. Was Tom on there or somebody pulling on this door?
I heard it click, or what do you call it, rumble a couple times.
How long ago did you leave? One of you guys didn't pull this door on me? No, I was doing this because Terry was focusing a night shot on my camera, and it's like somebody was trying to open the door on me. I thought it was Tom. Well, Terry, you know the door?
Yeah?
It wasn't Tom.
That wasn't Tom?
No. Yeah, wait 1 second. Let me get the light on for Terry back here. This is room 3, right? This is room 3, right? This is room 3, right?
This clip was captured in the cellar, but what was going on actually occurred on the first floor. There is a piano upstairs on the main floor, and if you listen carefully, you'll hear something is hitting specific key notes on the piano, yet there's no one playing it. In this clip, listen very carefully for a high-pitched whistling sound. This might be the entity's attempt at communicating or answering Greg's questions.
Saying, you coming down here to visit us? Is there one of us you do not like?
The following video footage was captured by Tom Halstead. We'd set up 2 camcorders down in the basement facing in different directions to maximize our chances of capturing something. We'd also put up motion sensors to detect anything coming into the area, and we left the area as a lockdown period was initiated. We'd gone upstairs and had waited for some period of time to go by. We then heard the motion sensors being triggered down in the basement, and we ran downstairs to investigate. When we replayed the video footage on Tom's camera, this video footage was captured. During subsequent investigations, several police officers stopped in from time to time to see what we were doing. The restaurant had since closed and they were just doing some routine checking as to why we were there. When we talked to one of them, they told us an interesting story. They parked their car across from the street from the Diamonds in a small area waiting for speeders to go by. When he looked up, he saw through the glass of the main windows the blue ghost on the other side inside the building. This is the first instance that we'd ever had a witness who said that they saw the blue ghost for themselves.
Step. You guys down here? Yeah, over here.
Well, there's the toolbox that he went around. I saw the red toolbox in the video.
Yeah. This light. This is what the camera was.
He came up there, up here, came down, and then towards those.
Physical activity is seldom documented on video. In this following footage, something had removed a light bulb from an overhead light fixture and thrown it approximately 40 or 50 feet over our heads to smash in the ground.
It had to have a lot of energy. See that thing? 60-watt light bulb and a light bulb. There's a lot of freestanding water on the floor, which might give it more energy to manifest down here as a glow.
Glass.
Wait a minute, go slow, throw some caution. What time is it? About 2:20?
2:18.
I saw
There's a light bulb that's blue or glass, you have to throw it in the face.
I saw it for my eye across the
What happened?
I saw the
What?
It's a light bulb. Well, I saw the corner of my eye, so that we can run the corner.
So it came from behind us or what?
I saw the part. Oh, you're going this?
What?
There's this is one there.
Is that you that throwing the light bulb at us? Are you upset with us? Be cautious there, please.
That's the only one missing, right? Right there, right where it said. You saw it before your eyes? Yeah.
I'm trying to respect your home. I know this is your home, and I came here to respect you, and some of you want help.
There it is.
Here it is.
Hold on, let me get a picture.
Here, yeah, let me zoom out.
I still want to be here. What time is it? I got on here.
This
Was
is
that light on?
the broken glass fragments.
Oh, that was off when I walked back. Then that means it came from this way, right? Yeah, so Terry?
Shine a light, Terry.
Let's see. Wait a minute.
That'd be a pretty good shot. Another one over that light.
Right, it came from me. Okay, there's a reason for that. Distracted, confused. Everybody, let's go back this way slowly. Let's do that to get us out area it's in. It's not up there, dude. We probably run towards whatever that was. I think that was a good trick. Then that means it came from this way, right? Then that means it came from this way, right? Then that means it came from this way, right?
If you look straight ahead, just to the left of the vertical chrome fixture of ductwork, you'll notice a shadow figure quickly moving from left to right. This is moving along the far wall and it's extremely fast, and I have a couple enhanced versions of it and slow motion versions.
Are we getting you upset by being here and coming down to this area? That wasn't town. Where'd that come from? It was like a rock noise at times. Glass. This is Terry walking in towards you if you're back there. If you can touch him and give him a sign without hurting him, then we'll leave the basement.
That was a thump from upstairs. That was a thump from upstairs. That was a thump from upstairs. In the final clip documented during this night's investigation, you'll hear what sounds like a chain link fence being rattled.
I
had the recorder running, so we'll at least hear
I'm
it.
back here in the distance. Can you show yourself for my camera if I use my flash? Can you show yourself just one time back there? So we can get your picture.
Did you hear that?
Is that you that made that noise?
Yeah, I heard the chicken wire sound like it was shaking.
Are you following us?